Hey, so you are having trouble receiving emails about your Instagram recovery? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Hello people, welcome back to our channel Login Joints, and we will get started now. We will go to Instagram login portal for that. So if we start entering our username and then click on forgot password, it will ask us about our email address so that they can send us a link. But there is no point in waiting because the emails are not sent and we have to wait too long for that. So here is how you can get code in other ways. Open your Facebook. And remember, you don't need to worry about connecting your Instagram to Facebook because we just need some source where we can enter our email address so that Instagram can send us a link through that source. So here at our profile section, we will go to settings and privacy and settings again. Here go to security and login and scroll down until you find setting up extra security and edit this option. Here press on get notifications and also you need to add the email address. Add the same email address that you have used while creating your Instagram account. Once you enter the email address, a code will be sent to it and you have to enter this code here. After entering the code, you are done here, and do not forget to press the get notification options and save the changes. For security, enter your password. Submit it. Now we will try and log in again. Enter your username and click on forgot password. Here enter the same email address that you have entered at first and then press send login link. My email have just arrived and now I have to click on login as Naples03. So here I am currently logged in my Instagram account, and here is how you can do it as well. Comment down below if your problem is not solved and we will help you through it. Thank you for watching. See you soon.